In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send GIFs in Slack. If you've ever wanted to add a little personality to your messages or celebrate a win with your team, GIFs are a quick, fun way to do it, and it only takes a moment to get started. First, open the Slack channel or direct message where you want to share a GIF. Look at the message box at the bottom of your screen. Just to the left of where you type, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus icon to open the message options menu. If the channel or DM hasn't enabled GIFs yet, you'll see an option that says Enable GIF. Go ahead and select that. Enabling this simply turns on the GIF picker for that specific conversation, so you can browse and send GIFs without leaving Slack. If you don't see the Enable option, that usually means GIFs are already turned on, and you can move straight to searching. Once GIFs are enabled, you'll be able to search for the perfect one using simple keywords. Click into the GIF search field and type what you're going for. Maybe congrats, good morning, thank you, or teamwork. Keep your keywords short and clear for the best results. You'll see a selection of GIFs that match your search, and you can scroll to find the one that fits your tone and message. If the first results don't feel right, try a slightly different word or a synonym to refine the vibe. When you find a GIF you like, select it. Slack will attach it to your message composer, so you can see a quick preview before sending. This is a great moment to add a short caption for context if you want, like, great job on the launch, or wrapping up for today. If you change your mind, you can remove the GIF from the composer and try another search without losing your place in the conversation. Before you hit send, take a second to make sure the GIF matches the channel's purpose and your team's culture. Playful is great, but keep it respectful and relevant. When everything looks good, press enter or click send, and your GIF will appear in the conversation for everyone to enjoy. And there you go, that's all it takes. Open your channel or DM, use the plus icon to enable GIFs if needed, search with a keyword, choose a GIF, and send. With just a few clicks, you can add warmth, humor, and clarity to your Slack messages. Thanks for watching, and happy GIF sharing.